So now I'm going to solve this same multiplication problem I just did the standard way, but now I'm going to do it the Hangman way. This way is where you just create a bank of numbers that you know multiplication facts for 23. Because 23 is not a number that we just know facts for. So instead of doing the standard way, we're just going to take groups of numbers out that we know. So I know over here, I'm going to write it over here, 23 times 1 is equal to 23. If I know times 1, just like I say in class, you can easily double that number and have times 2. So 23 times 2 is 46. Now what's really nice about this bank of facts that you know, it's going to be different for each person. Not everybody's going to have the same groups to know off the top of their head. So the next person could know 23 times 5 or 23 times 4. But I'm going to choose to do 23 times 10. I easily know that one because you just add a 0 to the number, so 230. If you know a group of 10, you definitely know a group of 20 because you just double this answer. So 23 times 20 would be 230 doubled, which is 460. I know it's getting really smushed over there. I can also do 23 times 100, but I know that's not going to help us because that number will be 2,300 and that's bigger than our dividend. So I'm just going to stick with these groups and just start pulling them out. So I know I can pull out a group of 20, and this is where we write our groups so we can keep track of what we're pulling out. So I'm going to start out with pulling out a group of 20. And 20 times 23, we wrote down over in our bank that it was 460. And then I subtract that and see how much I have left after I take that group away. Regroup. 12 minus 6 is 6, and 7 minus 4 is 3. Now I come over to my bank again and see if I can pull out another group of 20. And 460 is larger than 368, so I know I can't pull that group out. So I just choose another group. Again, what's nice about this, different students or different people can pull out any groups in any order that they want. Because once you add your groups over on the side, you'll end up with the same answer. So then I'm going to pull out a group of 10, which is 230. When I subtract, I get 138. Well, I don't have 138 over here, but I know I could pull out a group of 2. So I'm going to subtract 46. I'm going to regroup, and I get 92. Again, I know I can pull out a group of 2 because that's 46, so I write another group of 2 and take out another 46. Regroup, and I get 46. That's perfect. It fits evenly. And I pull out one last group of 2. Now when I end up with 0, then I know that I can add up all my groups on this side. So 20 plus 10 is 30. So 32, 34, 36. Our answer is 36.